Hello everyone, this is Brian. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be covering how to trade KittyKad NFT on Arkade platform. In the near future, when trading is enabled on KittyKad's official website, maybe I'll be doing another video. For your information, KittyKad's project is the first limited NFT collection on the Kadena blockchain. The collection goes live on public trading on Arkade platform on the 2nd of September. First of all, you will need one of the supported wallets for Kadena blockchain. X Wallet, Zelcore, or Chainweaver. I personally prefer X Wallet as it's supported by all the dApps on Kadena. If you are new to Kadena blockchain, you might be wondering on how to do cross-chain transfer within your own wallet. Don't worry, I've got you covered. You can either open the video description and you will find the link to the video which I've made earlier on. Otherwise, you can also find it in my channel under KDA withdrawal and cross-chain transfer. Once you have set up X Wallet and have your KDA ready on Chain 1, let's visit arkade.fun. Click Connect Wallet and select X Wallet. There will be a pop-up asking for your permission to interact. Click Save and close it. Click on the marketplace icon and let's select KittyKad's collection. You can then run through the filter according to your preference. But to showcase the process, I'll purchase one of the lowest price KittyKad. Let's click on KittyKad 1221 and click Buy Now. There will be another pop-up for you to verify before the purchase. Once you have confirmed, click on the Open Wallet and click Confirm. The transaction will take a minute or so. It will prompt when the transaction is completed.
A few moments later.
That's all for the steps of buying KittyKad NFT. You'll be able to see your KittyKad under My Items tab and also on official KittyKad's website. Now, I will move on to show you how to sell a KittyKad. Let's say you have KittyKad 1221 and wants to sell it. First thing first, you have to make sure your wallet with the NFT is connected. Then, we go over to My Items. Select KittyKad collection and choose KittyKad 1221. Over here, let's type in 9KDA and list it. There will be a pop-up for you to verify before you list your NFT. Once you have decided, click Open Wallet and confirm. The listing transaction will take about a minute or so. There will be another pop-up displaying success once completed.
A few moments later.
Congratulations! You have now listed your KittyKad NFT for sale on the Arkade. That's all for this video. I would greatly appreciate if you all can help hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.